Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to make a funny Santa beard. You will need ribbons, glue stick and a template, a beard template. Now this beard template you will find at the end of your book. Cut along the dotted lines of the beard template. Now, do you see there are two circles, small circles at both the sides? These are for the ribbons. Punch hole on both the sides. Even if they are not exactly on the circle, it is alright. We just want to make two holes to secure these two ribbons. Now string the ribbon from the hole and tie a knot at one end. I have already tied a knot. String the second ribbon in the second hole. Okay, now our beard template is ready. We'll keep this aside. Now you will take a plain white paper and fold the paper in thin strips and cut them. I'm holding the paper vertically and I'm going to fold it. I'm going to fold a very thin strip. See, I got a crease line. I'm going to cut along the crease line. This is an easy method to get a straight line or a straight strip. If you want, you can draw with your pencil and scale, but I find this is easier. So once I get this strip, you will cut many strips from this paper. Once you get this strip, fan fold the strips. Once up, then one down. Press it nicely so that you get those folds. See, our strip is now fan folded. Make many such strips. I have cut the paper and I have folded these strips. These are going to be the hair, the beard hair that we are going to glue on the Santa's beard template. Apply glue. And very carefully stick this. If you want, you can cut some strips into half and glue long and short paper strips. Your funny Santa beard is now ready. You can use these two ribbons to tie this beard around your face.